Hello, teacher. My speaking three unique things that life. My my person, Miguel Ángel Valenzuela, teacher Salazar Romero Percy, ID 1371281. My conversation. I student I okay, let's look at the appointment for January 21. There are kids a fail. Student B. Yes, it's a busy afternoon. When is the first appointment? Student A. The first on is at 3:30 with Julio Rodriguez. Student B. What's the purpose of your visit? Student A. He says he's coming for a physical and look. Is she a new patient? Student B. Yes, he is his phone number 777-670-1396. Student A. Great. Now right after him at 30:40 p.m. is homebound. Why is he coming? Student B. She has flu-like symptoms. Is she a new patient? Student A. No, she's not. He's been her before. Student B. I see. And next up is a Richard Price at 3:50. That sounds serious. Why is seeing the doctor? Student A. Oh, for chest pain. If someone has chest pain, we should go to Doctor Kiki. Good night, teacher. Finish.